Hey, hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review this Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask for chemically treated hair. एंड अगर आपके बाल केमिकली ट्रीटेड नहीं भी है तब भी आप वीडियो देख सकते हो और ब्रांड ने एक तरीका बताया है हाउ यू कैन यूज दिस. आई विल शेयर यू द सेकंड वे हाउ यू कैन यूज दिस वन. सो इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब प्रेस द बेल आइकन एंड या लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. दिस कंटेनर केम लाइक दिस एंड यस मैंने इसको बचा के रखा है. A, because I have to do the review of this video, and the second reason is all the information is mentioned here and not here. So मैंने इसको अभी तक डिस्कस नहीं किया है. First things first, let's talk about the pricing. 250 grams of this retails for rupees 875. Now I had my eye on this product since a long time because मैंने बहुत अच्छे reviews सुने थे इसके बारे में. But the reason I didn't bought this one because I had a doubt and the price was too high, like 875. But I bought this in one sale and there I got it around rupees 600 something, and hence I bought this one. Let's see what the brand claims. The brand claims that this is 7 free, which means that this is free from sulfates, silicones, alcohol, parabens, phthalates, zinc and propylene glycol, which means that the formula is gentle and also non-drying on your hair. They also say that this product basically helps to build a shield around your hair ताकि आपके बालों को UV rays से protection मिले. This product is 100% vegan and cruelty free. They also say that this silicone free hair mask moisturizes, softens and deep nourishes chemically treated damaged hair and scalp. Now मैंने आज तक कभी भी अपने hair chemically treat नहीं कराया है. I've never done any sort of coloring, smoothing or permanent straightening on my hair. So yeah, that's to put it out. सारे ingredients यहाँ पे mention है and I will leave this ingredient list on the screen for you guys to have a look. Main ingredient of this hair mask is olive oil, macadamia oil, shea butter and pro-vitamin B5. You have to finish using this product 2 years from the date of manufacturing. There are 2 ways you can use this hair mask. One way जो brand ने बताया है, you shampoo your hair and after that you remove the excess water from your hair, बालों से excess water निचोड़ के, then you apply this on the hair from the, throughout the length of your hair, especially टिप एरिया पे इसको लगाना पड़ेगा and then you basically keep it for 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. ब्रांड ने ये भी बताया है कि आप जितना ज़्यादा रखोगे उतना अच्छा है, but 20 to 25 minutes is what that is suggested. Wash off your hair. How I like to use this, I apply this before shampoo, pre-shampoo अपने बालों के length पे, throughout the length पे, and I keep it for 20-25 minutes and then उसके बाद मैं shampoo कर लेती हूँ. And this is how my hair looks like if I use this pre-shampoo. And this is what my hair looks like if I use this post shampoo. Every scalp type and hair type is different and everybody's preference is also different. I will leave it on to you guys कि आपको कौन सा after effect अच्छा लगता है before shampoo के या post shampoo. I personally feel if your hair is thin just like me तो आप इसको pre-shampoo use कर सकते हो, because if you use this pre-shampoo then that adds extra volume to your hair apart from adding the shine, softness and bounciness to your hair. आप इसको post shampoo use करते हो because this contains a lot of oil, तो आपके hair जो है वो थोड़े less voluminous लगते हैं as I feel it. Okay, so if your hair is not thin, if your hair is already voluminous, you can use this post shampoo. But if your hair is thin just like me and less voluminous, then you can use this pre-shampoo to get that extra voluminous effect on your hair. So let me know what you think about the product and what you think about me in the comments section down below. So yeah, that's all in my today's video. If you like this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon, and yeah, I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.